Good morning, all of you. The continuation of last class. See here, irrational number. What is the meaning of irrational number? We cannot write in the form of rational number. We cannot write in the form of rational number. That is called irrational number. The irrational number indicate Q dash or capital S. Both are same. Therefore, the indicate the denoted by the irrational number denoted by Q dash or S. See, what is the irrational number? We cannot write in the form of P by Q. You cannot write in the form of P by Q is called irrational number. See, what is the example of irrational number? See, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 10, up to so on. Here like here at the same time the best example of irrational number means pi, that is equal to 22%. The best example of irrational number is pi. Is introduction. C. Go to theorem number 1.6. What is the theorem number 1.6? Write, let P be a prime number. P divides A square, where P is a positive integer. Where P is a positive integer, then P divides A. Here P is a prime number, P divides A square, then P divides also A square. P divides also A square. For example, see, therefore A is equal to P1 according to theorem number 1.6. See, so this is right from the fundamental arithmetic theorem. According to fundamental arithmetic theorem, A is equal to P1 into P2 into P3 up to so on Pn. For example, you take 28. What is the prime factorization of 28? This is even number. Even prime is 1 2 14s, 2 7s. What is this? 2 square into 7. 2 is prime number, 7 is prime number. Like this is the prime factorization of 28. Like A is equal to 28. What is 2 square into 7? For example, see, let us take example. A is equal to 20. Therefore, what? Therefore, 28 is equal to 2 square into 7 power 1. 2 square into 7 power 1. Like this. Here, P is equal to P1 into P2 into P3 into up to so on Pn. Pn. At the same time, A into A. What is A? P1 into P2 into P3 up to so on Pn. At the same time, A means A into, A means this is. At the same, A into A square. This is A also, this is A. P1 into P2 into P3 up to so on Pn. What is this? A square. A square is equal to P1 square into P2 square into, yes or no? This is A. P1 into P1, P2 into P2, P3 into P3 up to so on Pn into Pn. Like P3 square up to so on Pn square. Like, see, for example, let's take. See, therefore, P is equal to 5, A is equal to 25. P is equal to 5, A is equal to 25. What is P divides A square? P divides A square. Like this, therefore, A is equal to 25. A square is equal to 625. Yes or no? 25 square means 625. 625. See, P divides A square. P divides A square, that means A square by P. A square by P. What is A square? 625 divided by 25, that means 25. Yes sir. At the same time, P divides also. Similarly, P divides A. P divides A. What is A? The P divides A means A by P. That is equal to what is A? 25. What is P? 5. That is 5. It is reducible like this. P is a prime number. Yes, P is a prime number. P divides A square. P divides A square. Okay, a is positive integer, therefore p divides a square, then p divides also a. P divides a. P divides a. See, this is, oh sorry, here is wrong, like wrong. So therefore a square is equal to 625 by p means 5. P means 5, that is equal to 125. That is equal to 125. Like, right. Go to do this. What is the do this? See, verify the statement proved above for p is equal to 5 and for therefore a square is equal to, what is meaning of a square? 1 square, 1, 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, like this. Verify the statement prove above for p is equal to 5, p is equal to 5, sorry, p is equal to 5, like this. You take you draw the table, like a, what is a value? A is equal to 1, a square is equal to 1, a is equal to a square 4, a is equal to 3, a square 9, a is equal to 4, a square means 16, a is equal to 5, 25, a is equal to 6, 7, 49, 64, 81, like p divides a square, here is p divides a square 9. Therefore, what is meaning of p divides a square by p? Therefore, 1 by 2 no. At the same time, p divides a, not. Here is p divides a square. Therefore, a square by p, 4 by 2, s is divisible. At the same time, 9 by 2, not, no. Also no. 16 by 2, yes. This is also yes. 25 by 2, not, no. At the same time, p divides a. 36 by 2, yes. Also yes. 49 by no, no. This is not, no. Also no. 64 by 2, yes. Also yes. Here is also yes. 81 by 2, no. This is also no. Like this. This is p is equal to 2. Like you draw homework. P is equal to 5. You draw the table, same like this. Here is P is equal to 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. This is same. A is equal to 1, A, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25, 6, 36, 7, 49, 8, 64, 9, 81. This is same. Here is in the table, P is equal to 5. P is equal to 5. This is continuationally. 5, 5, 5. All numbers are 5, 5, 5. Like. This is homework. P is equal to 5 table is homework. I think you will do. See, this is for P is equal to 2 table. This is P is equal to, you can draw the table like this. Okay, right? So here, what is the theorem? 1.6. Therefore, let P be a prime number if P divides A. What is P divides A? A means, see, the factors of A. One of the factors of A means P. Like for example, you take here what is 25. Therefore, what is the factors of 25? 1, 5, 25. 1, 5, 25. Like compared to P, compared to A. See what is factors of A? The 1 divides 25, 5 divides 25, 25 divides 25. Like P divides A square. Like P divides A square. What is P? 5. Therefore, 25 by 5, 5. 25 by 1, 25. 25 divided by 25, 1. Yes or no? This is like the factors of the prime factors of A square. This is one of the P. P means prime number. Like go to the next topic. Root 2 is a irrational number. Root 2 is a irrational number. The example 7 in our textbook. Root 2 is a irrational number. Like by contradiction, root 2 is not a irrational number. Root 2 is not a. What is meaning of root 2 is not a irrational number? Root 2 is a rational number. That means we assume that root 2 is a rational number. Like see, root 2 is, what is the rational number in the form of P by Q? Here is you take A, B. Therefore, A comma B are integer, B not equal to 0. Therefore, root 2 is A by B. See, squaring on both sides. Therefore, root 2 whole square is equal to A by B whole square. What is root 2 means? 2. A by B whole square means A square. The square affected on numerator and denominator. Therefore, A square by B square. Cross multiplication. What is 2B square is equal to A square. Therefore, A square is equal to 2B square. What is this? This like Product of 2 and b square. Product of 2 and b square. Here, therefore, a square is even. Also, a is even. A is even. Yes or no? Therefore, a square. A is equal to 2. A square is equal to 4. Therefore, a square is equal to even number. A is equal to even number. Like, let's take a is equal to 2k. K is some constant, some integer or constant. Right? Substituting a replace of 2k. Substituting a replace of 2k. What is see a square is equal to 2b square. A square is equal to 2b square. Like 2b square is equal to a is equal to 2k. 2k whole square. 2k whole square means 4k square. Therefore here 2 ones, 2 2s. Therefore b square is equal to 2k square. B square is equal to here. B square is even. B is also even. B square is even. B is also even. Like see here like this. Now both a and b are even numbers. Both a and b are even numbers. By contrast, our assumption is that a by b is an irrational fraction. Irreducibly. What is meant by irreducibly means is not change. No change. Therefore, a b is an irreducible fraction. Therefore, because they have no positive divisors of except 1. Here by the consequence for this contradiction is to the resultant assumption that root is irrational number. Root is irrational number. Go to example 8. What is example 8? 5 minus root 3 is you prove it. It is like homework. Also, the example is the clearly explaining in the your textbook. Right? This. For example, you take root 2 root 3 whole square. This is irrational number, yes or not? Let us take root 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. See, rational number. Like, what is the root 2 is a root 2 plus root 3 is a rational number means therefore root 2 plus root 3 is equal to a by b. Like, therefore root 2 is equal to a by b minus root 3. Yes or no? Squaring on both sides, s o b means s square o of b square. Squaring on o means on b square. Therefore, root 2 whole square is equal to a by b minus root 3 whole square. Like herein, therefore root 2 whole square means 2, that is equal to a by b minus root 3, a by b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into a into b. Therefore, 2 is equal to a square by b square plus 3 minus 2a root 3 by b. Like see, therefore, see, a square by b square plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 2, therefore, root 3 a by b, or root 3 a by b. See, like root 3 a by b is equal to already a square by b square plus 3. The 2 transfer to left side minus 2. Here b, therefore a square by b square plus 1. 3 minus 2 means 1. What is the LCM? B square. See, b square by b square 1 into a square plus b square divided by 1 means b square into 1 b square. Like this. See what? Therefore, 2 root 3 a by b. 2 root 3 a by b. Like this. Therefore, 2 root 3 is equal to a square plus b square divided by b square. ab transferred to right side. The fraction is reciprocal. b by a. b by a. Like area space use. Therefore, 2 root 3 is equal to a square plus b square divided by b. b square means b into b by a. b get cancelled. See what is the remaining? A square plus b square divided by b into 1 by a. That means a square plus b square divided by ab. What is root 3? Root 3 means a square plus b square divided by ab. like root 3 is equal to, what is root 3? Therefore a square plus b square divided by 2ab. Here is a square plus b square divided by 2ab is rational number. Rational number is equal to rational number. Now see, now root 3 is a rational number. According to our assumption is wrong. Why? Because root 3 is a irrational number. Root 3 is a irrational number, like this. See, go to the exercise 1.4. Prove that the following are irrational number. Prove that the following are irrational number. Already we discussed like this: 5, 3, 2. 3 like 2. So we have discussed 1 by root 2 is a irrational number. 1 by root 2 is a irrational number. Root 2. You show that root 2 is a irrational number. Root 2 is a irrational number. Let us assume the opposite. What is meaning of opposite? Irrational number opposite rational. 1 by root 2 is a rational. Right? 1 by root 2 can be written in the form of a by b. Like this. Here a comma b are co-parents. What is meaning of co-parents? No common factor other than 1. No common factor other than 1, like that is called co-parents. Co-parents. For example, 4, 5. Co-parents. Why? What is the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. What is the factors of 5? 1, 5. Only common factor is only 1 and only 1. The numbers are co-parents other than friends. Sorry. Like that, where a comma b are co-parents. See, 1 by root 2 is equal to a by b. Why? 1 by root 2 is a rational number. Therefore a by b not equal to 0. Right. Here 1 by root 2 is equal to a by b. The ab reciprocal b by a, that is called 1 by root 2. That means root 2 by 1. That means b by a is equal to root 2. Here b by a is a rational number. Yes, b by is a rational number. Therefore rational number is equal to rational number. Then b by is a rational number, root is a rational number. Root is a rational number, but root is irrational. But a rational number not equal to irrational number. Rational number not equal to irrational number. And this is contradiction. Our assumption is incorrect. Our assumption is incorrect. Our assumption is incorrect. Hence, root is a irrational. Root is a irrational number. Sorry, 1 by root is a irrational number. Show that 3 plus root 2 is a irrational number. Plus is a irrational number. Right. Let us assume the opposite. Assume the opposite. What is assume the opposite? C is a, therefore 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Rational number. What is the rational number? 3 plus root 5 is equal to a by b. 3 plus root 5 is equal to a by b. 3 plus root 5 is equal to a by b. See, 3 is equal to a by b minus 2 root 5. Squaring on both sides. Therefore 3 whole square. Therefore a by b minus 2 root 5 whole square. That means 3 square means 9. Therefore a minus b whole square. A square plus b square. What is b square? 2 root 5 whole square minus 2ab. 2 into a into b. So like now simplify. Therefore a square by b square. Therefore plus 2 root 5 whole square means 2 square 4. Root 5 means 5 minus 2 into 2 4. 4 root 5 a by b. 4 root 5 a by b. Now again simplify. Therefore a square by b square plus 2 4 5s are 20 minus 4 root 5 a by b. Minus 4 root 5 a by b. Minus 4 root 5 a by b transfer to left side, minus 9 transfer to right side. Now see, 4 root 5 before sign will be changed. Therefore 4 root 5 a by b is equal to a square by b square plus 20 minus 9. Now what is the simplify? A square by b square plus 11. What is the LCM? B square. B square divided by B square 1 into A square plus B square divided by 1. Now B square into 11 B square. And therefore 4 root 5 A by B. Now root 5 into 4A divided by B is equal to A square plus 11 B square divided by B square. Therefore root 5 is equal to 4A by B transfer to right side. Therefore A square plus 11B square divided by B square into, therefore 4A by B transfer to right side, the fraction is reciprocal, B by 4A. Now A square plus 11B square, 1B cancel, divided by B into 1 by 4A. Now A square plus 11B square divided by 4AB. Under two fractions, multiplication of numerator divided by multiplication of denominator. Now root 5 is equal to A square plus 11B square divided by 4AB. Therefore A square plus 11B square divided by 4AB is a rational number. Rational number is equal to rational number. Now root 5 is rational number. Root 5 is a rational number. Now root 5 is a rational number. Now already we know, therefore rational number by contract, but root 5 is a irrational number. Irrational number. Already well known to you. See, a rational number not equal to irrational number. A rational number not equal to irrational number. Now this is correct. Our assumption is incorrect. Our assumption is incorrect. Our assumption is incorrect. Incorrect. Now what is 3 plus root 5? 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. The remaining topic tomorrow we will discuss.